Hello viewer, how to fix Google Message RCS chat not supported? Let's see how to fix it. Open your phone setting. Now search airplane mode. Turn on airplane mode. Now go back to your setting. Go to your app section. Now search Google Message. Go to Google Message. Now click on Storage. From here, clear cache data from your Google Message. Go back. Now tap on 3 line. Turn on Show System App. Now search Carrier Service. Go to Carrier Service. Tap on Storage. Now clear cache data from Carrier Service. And remember, if you have no Carrier Service in your phone, you can download Carrier Service from Google Play Store. Now go back to your app section. Click on Choose Default App. Go to SMS app. Now confirm Google Message as your default message app. Now turn off airplane mode. Turn off your phone, then reopen it. Now go to your RCS chat section. Turn off RCS chat. Now turn on RCS chat again. Now see your RCS chat connected successfully. So in this way you can fix RCS chat not supported problem.